Jean, I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming to your concert. Jean, wait for me, guys. Pag-alagala muna ako dito habang nag-aantay pa ako ng flight ko. So, wala pa akong boarding gate dahil nga maaga ako. Ayan. See you, Jean, in a bit. CX880 Los Angeles, California. Char. Ayan. Nag-aantay muna ako dito. Wala pa. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo, guys. Ayan. Ang aga ko kasi, alam mo naman, para makapag libot-libot baday. Ayan, guys. Libot-libot muna tayo habang walay pa. Naiwan ko pa tuloy yung tubig ko doon. Hi, 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 hi. Ayan, the best ka talaga. Yung ni-rush ka, tapos sasabihin na dapat bukas yung flight mo, tapos biglang sinabi, oh, I'm missing your ticket, and then I'm gonna book now for later, acha. Ayan, so I'm still waiting. At super aga pa kasi. Ayan, guys. Yun na nga, guys, nahanap ko na din yung aking gate. So, yeah. Let's see. It says go straight and left side. So, yeah. Congratulations. You did it again. Ayan, dito tayo. Dito tayo ulit. So, I'm happy. Tapos, smooth lang. Walang problems. Ayan. Kaya pala sabi maaga kang yan. Kasi, mamaya pang 12. So, aking flights. Jean! I'm coming, Jean! Ayan. So, I'm gonna see you, Jean. Char lang. Okay, bye-bye. Jean, I'm coming to see you, Jean. Jean, my love. BTS is the best. Finally, I got you, my dear. My dear. Why? Ayan, dito na po kami. I mean, ako pala. Kasi, ayan, I go to washroom first. Medyo mahaba-haba pa din. Kaya, it's better than early birds. Ganun. Sige. Diba? Boarding. Finally, I'm here now. Ayan, guys, papasok na tayo. Okay, bye. Now, immigration na ako. Welcome, Vancouver. Nasa Vancouver na ako, guys. O, diba? Guys, bababa na ako ng immigration. Tingnan niyo naman yung immigration nila. Walang ka-hassle-hassle. Walang ka-problema. My gosh. Finally, yes, I did. I got my luggage. Now, so exit na ako.